This is my market recap of 3/12/2025. No trades taken today. My buys got invalidated today. We still had a bullish bias. You can see market still going on bullish bias. Just that my buys got invalidated. My London session low got soup. So I did not take any trade. Right? Simple as that. Now let's go over our buys. What are we looking at throughout the day? Right? We had a 3-month CRT low got soup. We go 3-month CRT high right over here. On the monthly time frame, went from monthly discounted IRL to premium ERL, and that was our high time frame, right? And we had no monthly CRT in here. Weekly, the ERL to IRL's I got inversed. Right, so we're going to highlight IRL. You can see it got met, but we're still looking for a long because I didn't see enough context for the bearish side. I was looking for a long. Why? Had a essentially divergence with the IRL, right? Right over here, as well as we had a. That means the Monday low is high likely to be protected, right? So I did not look for a short because of that, and I was looking for a classic mission profile too in a daily time frame. That was literally the sole reason I was looking for a long here today. It was a lower time frame, 15 minute, made a 4 hour time frame for our narrative. Market super low, super at a high, a minute stable low, stable high, premium discount. We had a, what would call it? We had a similar divergence with the correlated pair with GU with the IRL. So we'll go from 4 hour IRL to ERL during that specific time before my boss got invalidated, right? As well, we had a hourly key level. What else do we had here? We were going to buy below the opening price of the 4 hour candle, which we never had opportunity to buy anyway. Because I was going to long a CPI long, but I'm saying the entry did not happen, so I just didn't take it, right? So what else? That's what happened, and we had our bullish order flow. We're currently trending, right? I don't think what else would he had here. That was it, right? There was not much into this trade. That was solely the reason I was looking for a long. We did have a dealer range here. The dealer range discount, it looks like it didn't get tapped. It didn't get tapped. We had a, I'm saying, SM diversion of the discounted area. So that's why I was still looking for a long here, right? I had enough narrative. So we're looking for a near continuation as well, because if I'm bullish, I want the Luncheon low to be I want if I'm bullish, I want Luncheon to make a low of the day, not a high of the day. It made the low of the day, so I'm looking for a near continuation, right? And I was looking to continue from this candle or this other candle, right? Whatever candle over here. Never had opportunity here, right? So you go to the 5 minute time frame. Probably CRT low. Let's see, probably see like, well, we got a confirmation right here. You would have been a loss. It would have not been a loss because that's not my model number one. And plus, there was no CRT. There was not a legit low, the CRT low. So looking for this low to get pressed again. And this right over here, I was looking to long here, right? Look good, nice. You see market instantly plummet to the upside. Yeah, hitting our drone liquidity, which was this high and this other high. And yeah, eventually market plummeted back down, validating my bias. What is the lesson for the day? Lesson for the day. I took two demo longs in an MT5, which is basically demo, not even a challenge account, right? What I'm saying? I was playing with it, and one of them I went for a huge amount of RR, but it was a bad habit, right? I can't be doing that, right? I can't be making a bad habit, as well as even if I'm in a demo trade, I will not break him too early because I broke in too early. One of them he got stopped out at at the gain. I can take profit, and the other one hates to take profit, right? Which it's not a good thing because I do not want to break even too early. And yeah, I do not want to break my rules as well because that's basically saying I'm breaking my rules. And I literally deleted MT5 because I do not want to be taking demo trades. Once I take demo trades, gonna lead on to the live accounts and stuff like that, and I'm gonna mess myself up, right? So yeah, that was the lesson for the day. Not trials too early and do not demo trade one trade position, even if you have a demo trade, right? As well as um follow your rules, right? Because I didn't even it was a demo trade, right? But, I'm saying still, right? And yeah, that was a lesson right over there. You can see market swooped at a low, gave us a model confirmation, and went up here. That's low. It's not. This probably one people are wondering like, well, why did you long this? After the CPI comes out because the low of the CPI. I mean, the low right over here is not a legit low. So I'm looking for a different candle here, right? This low is not legit, so looking for a different candle to get soup. And yeah, because this bullish candle is from a different 4 hour candle. So yeah, I never had the opportunity. And eventually, this market has been up to our drawn liquidity one more time. And yeah, I still believe tomorrow will probably go here. I don't know, right? Remember, yesterday I had a bearish pass and I have a bullish pass, right? We could change easy, right? So yeah, it all depends on what the market gives us here, right? All depends on what the market offers us, right? So that's that, and that's the lesson for the day. This is my market recap. No trades taken, paid off. I'm saying, but our analysis was correct, right? For a CPI move, right? Usually when you always have a setup for when you always have a setup, right? Should always take it no matter where, no matter what it is, right? That means no matter if there's a news or not, right? If I have a setup and there's an NFP news, right? Because my last two setups, which were two Friday setups, were both on NFP, right? So that means no matter what, if I see a setup, I have to take it, right? Because both of them hit take profit. Other one hit I'm pretty sure a 4 RR. Another one hit 2 RR, right? So they both hit take profit. And I broke in too early, right? Because I was like, okay, it's a news trade. I don't want to be losing, right? But if your setup is there, you have to take it regardless, right? And you have to follow your rules, not break even too early, not try to stop us too early, do not try to stop us beyond the break even point, and yeah, do all of that, right? You see news instantly went back up, then the drone liquidity eventually played out for a little bit eventually before reversing back down, right? So this one right here would give you enough time for you to partial and saying to cash out your profits eventually, market fully reversed, right? That was that. I was look for a long out of this 5 minute CISD right over here, right? But that 5 minute CISD does not have no narrative. You cannot. I thought about it, right? But I have to think a little bit like, okay, through my history of me trading the CISD model, when I take it randomly without a CRT, yes, CRT look at suit, but guess what? CRT I got the drone got met, right? That means it's no longer in a CRT. You're no longer in any CRT, right? So you're not a CRT. Why are you logging this for Riga, right? Probably want to look, well, the CRT logo got souped, right? But guess what? CRT I got met, right? So this is invalid. This CIZ is random, right? So that's why I was like, okay, I can't be doing that because I have this power. I had this problem before. So yeah, you're not longer short a CISD without a CRT. If there's no CRT, do not long it, right? This one, people have longed the CISD. I think it was very beautiful, but have been stopped out. Why? Because there's no CRT in there, right? If there's no CRT, there's no CISD, right? So this is my market recap. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Peace out. Join the Discord section down below. I'll see you guys later. Peace.